At the Raven Lake turn, we'll be working about 531 feet of track. It will consist of all 8 layers, track ties, ledgers, wide ledgers. We'll be adding new steel back on the track. At the lake turn, it's probably one of the oldest spots on Raven. It's probably all original. So it's really rough through there. We had to fix it, get it where it needs to be a better ride, a smoother ride. We are doing it in-house. Our coaster guys, there's no outside help, just all in-house. Gravity Group, we had them come out and do a survey, and the survey consists of profiling the track. It's not going to be the same like last year. It's not going to be a high bank. It's more gradually going into it, so you won't feel those sharp turns like we did before. Be smoother and possibly be faster, because where the track was before, you like in a ping pong, you're ping-ponging around, going side to side through there. So that will change your speed. It will slow you down. And this way, we're going to smooth the track out. You shouldn't feel a thing. The wood we use is called the Southern Yellow Pine. It's really dense, and it actually comes from Georgia. While working out there on the lake turn, it's pretty brisk and windy, and there's nowhere to go. The code is right there with you the whole time. You get a little frost, or like Monday we had a little snow on track, so it delayed us a little bit, but we are ahead of schedule. We are probably 2.5 weeks ahead of schedule, so it's looking pretty good out there.